Hello Internet. Today we have Rollei B-colour Pocket. This is the light I use with the other one in my studio. It's a really nice light made from aluminium. It comes in a material bag. It came from Amazon return. This is one of the first video I recorded. It has USB-C and USB micro. It is dual color. Let's see what's wrong with it. It turns on. You can change modes. Plus button is clicking and minus button is pressed. So this one isn't working, this one is okay, and this one changes the modes. Half of the LEDs are on, but that's probably because of color temperature, which is set on max. I cannot hear anything rattling inside. I don't know if button is inside or was it open before. So let's take a look inside. There are 6 Torx screws. So we have a thermal pad for cooling. With some aluminium shavings. That's not great. We also have the button. It was stuck on thermal pad. Why won't you focus? So it's good, we can use it. Probably someone pressed it too hard. So let's take the board out and look at it under the microscope. The quality is pretty nice.
Nice.
The button seems also aluminium. So let us put some flags. Clean up the pads. Then I try to align it. There was some gunk on the solder. Quick clean. And we're pretty much done. So let's test it again. The refresh rate of the OLED is interfering with camera. So the mode changes. Up was working and down. Now it's dimming. And also if we change the mode, you can see the other half of LEDs are now starting to show up. So now we are at warm white 3100K. Because it was a quick fix, we can take some measurements. Battery supply is 3.6 volts. So LED 1 is warm white and it's 8.06 at 50%. And the cold one is now off. So let's go higher in brightness. We have 8.2 volts at the warm white, and cold white are still off. You can check the voltage drop on a shunt, which is common for both colors. You can also check with the scope. Looks like brightness is not PWM. Maybe it's current regulated. I want to also check the voltage drop across the MOSFET. And you can see some spikes at 26 kHz. So maybe it's WPM, but very high frequency. Or maybe it's noise from boost converter. So when I change the brightness, you can see it's filling the space between peaks. So let's put it together. First we put the buttons. Then it's a bit tricky because the USB must go in first and then the buttons. So we have to fit the OLED in the back cutout. Then we need 6 screws. And it's back together again. Just the final check if it works. You can turn off the main light. And the brightness goes down, goes up, the mode changes, the color also changes. You can go colder, and we can go warmer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.